the course. Over this jump, then over the challenge. And around the table. Over that, through the tunnel, and then on to the chair. Here we go. Great. Cheer on, people. Cheer on. Only the third time ever he jumped this high. It's higher than my knee, which is a miracle, people. Yeah. Oh, sore. Stop. He's running away, people. He's running away. I got him. It's cool. He didn't feel like it. He's still alive. Hello, people. Hello. There we go. Number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Yes. 2 and 3. Not quite. There we go. There on the high. Kiss for the winner. Go. Close. Again. Come on. Not waiting all day. Yeah. Why do you always stop? Come on. Come on. He doesn't like this jump. But he almost does it. He has never jumped it so far. I don't know why. Doesn't want to. Just know that all other jumps he has made it. Yeah. Close. The tunnel. Tunnel. There we go, chair. Attempt number 3 went very well, although he did fail one jump. Otherwise, the course was complete. Well done, Leo. The Super Bunny.